How to customize the Shopify contact page settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss exactly what you can actually change when it comes to the contact page from Shopify, and also how to start adding things to the page as well. So first, let's just go and adjust the different things that you can do within the pages option. So click on online store, themes, pages, and you're just going to select the contact page. From here, what you can actually do is obviously you can hide the page if you want to. The template is contact, leave it as it is. Otherwise, it's not going to contain the form. So just make sure that this is selected as contact. Do not change this. Next up, you can add content here if you want to. You can feel free to add images, text, whatever it may be, and it's going to display on the page itself. But most importantly here, we have the search engine listing. And if we click on the edit option, we're going to be able to change the title of the SEO title of the page, which is basically the title that is going to show up in Google searches, as well as the meta description. We can just feel free to add one in here, which again is going to show up in the Google searches. And then we also have the ability to change the URL handle to this page. And if you change it, you can even make it so that the previous one also redirects to the new one. So once we're done with all of these settings here, what we can do is actually adjust the page itself and add things to it. So in order to do so, just go to online store, themes, and click on edit theme. From here, to select the contact page, what you want to do is just click on the top, click on pages, and select contact page. And you should be able to find this one right here with the form and everything. So first of all, what we can do is just click on the contact form itself. And from here, what we can do is just, change the design aspect of it, change the scheme of it. For example, what I'm going to do is just make it scheme 5. And I'm also going to change the height to become small, which doesn't really do much, but I guess large is going to be larger. Yeah, there you go. So it was small by default. And you can just feel free to change more stuff like the alignment of it. It's going to be centered by default. Even the positioning of it, the gap between it and different sections. It's just going to be different things that you can play around with here, especially the padding here. I'm just going to tone that down a little bit, like so. Next up, what we can just do is just also change this to be scheme 5. Now, the form itself, I don't believe that you can actually change the form itself from Shopify. So if you want to add more things to the form or remove specific elements from the form, I think the best way to do so is by adding a third-party application, which is going to do that for you. But from Shopify itself, I'm not sure that it is actually possible to play around with the actual form. Also, what we can do just to make the contact page really stand out, first I just want to change the padding here from the top, make it less, like so. Anyways, is what we can do is just add a new section here and make the contact page more, full a little bit, because right now it's just very bland. So what we can do is just add a FAQ section, for example. We can just find it down here. We can just feel free to add that right beneath, and we can just feel free to change the scheme of it. And obviously, as an FAQ, you can just, change the actual questions and also the answers very easily. They are basically just accordions, and you can just change the question and answer to it. Go to the next one, question, answer, and so on. So yeah, you can just feel free to customize this as you like by adding sections to them and changing, the scheme of it and how it looks like. The form itself, again, like I said, you can't really change the form, but you can just feel free to use a third-party application for that if you really need to. With that being said, this is pretty much all we can do with the contact page from Shopify. So hopefully you found this video to be informative. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.